This is a quick guide on how to download Adobe After Effects for free on your PC, Mac, and laptop. Let's get straight to it. Step 1. Click the link in the video's description to go to the official Adobe website. Step 2. Select and click Start Free Trial. Choose the individual plan for a single computer. This plan offers a 7-day After Effects trial and a 30-day Adobe stock trial, which includes 10 free assets that you can keep, regardless of your subscription status. Step 3. Click Continue and enter your email. Complete the required fields, including your payment method. You will not be billed until the free trial is over. Step 4. Click Agree and Subscribe, and then create a password for your account when prompted. Step 5. Next, the Creative Cloud application will be downloaded. Install it, log in with your new credentials, and open the app. Step 6. Navigate to the Apps section and install After Effects from the list. There you have it. You now have Adobe After Effects installed and ready to use for free for the next 7 days. Thank you for watching this guide. Happy editing!